The Art of Woodworking. Free download, link in description. Top 5 Best Handheld Router. Number 5. PORTERCABLE PCE 6430. The PORTERCABLE PCE 6430 packs quite a punch despite its diminutive size. With a motor of 4.5 amps, it can spin at speeds of up to 31,000 RPM. We also like the sturdy aluminum construction base, the tiny size, and the lightweight, making it convenient to carry along. Interestingly, you can modify the router's path depth on both a broad and granular scale. The oversized locking clips make motor removal and depth adjustment much quicker. You can also make quick and precise adjustments to the depth with the help of a rotating ring. What we like. Compact router. It packs more power than a smaller corded router. Good depth settings. Lightweight. What we don't like. No dials for finer adjustments. Small but not a cordless router. Need to check for bit slips. Coming in number 4. Ridgid Are 2401. This powerful laminate trimmer from Ridgid includes some handy extras like its LED lighting providing even illumination across the work surface, plus lights on the plug and the tool letting you know when you have power. With the help of a release lever, making major modifications or taking out the motor is a breeze. You may make pinpoint adjustments to the depth with the help of the rack and pinion system. Additionally, you can modify the bit with a single wrench, which is time-saving. The use of a spindle lock mechanism also makes this a real option. The Ridgid Are 2401 router also has a very low profile compared to other trim routers. What we like. Features a micro depth adjustment dial. LED lights and a square base help form an edge guide. The locking lever for the motor is easy to use. Powerful for trimming laminate. It won't flip over because of its flat top. What we don't like. You may find it difficult to get a plunge base. Not for heavy use as it may get hot. Coming in number 3. Bosch Pr20 EVs. The Bosch Pr20 EVs or Bosch Colt 1 horsepower is tough, accurate, and accommodating. As a result of these features, it is a great buy for anyone looking for budget woodworking tools. This palm router is very powerful for its size. The motor operates between 16,000 and 35,000 revolutions per minute and draws 5.6 amps. What we like best about it is it allows you to customize the speed to your needs, regardless of the task. Despite Bosch's insistence that it be operated without a router table, you can acquire this complete with a plunge router base for a fair price. What we like. Conveniently position the power cord exit. The base is made of aluminum. Variable speed. Swapping out the bits is easy. Micro and macro adjust button for depth adjustments. What we don't like. Beginners may find the knob for finer adjustment hard to operate. You may need to adjust the depth setting frequently. Coming in number 2. Makita XTR01Z 18V LXT. Like the DeWalt model, the Makita XTR01Z lithium-ion brushless, cordless compact router has dependable strength but is also simple to use and precise. The brushless motor powered by an 18V battery allows for longer operation times and the ability to adjust the motor speed from 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. This compact router's housing and base are aluminum to ensure long life. You can see well from it because the tool's base has 2 LED lights shining down onto the workspace. As a safety feature, these cordless tools have a locking switch on the power button that prevents it from being accidentally pressed. What we like. Depth adjustments. Variable speed dial. One of the best cordless trim routers. Fine adjustments. Compact routers are easily transportable. No need for larger round-over bits. What we don't like. You may need to purchase replacement batteries. Relatively small router. Coming in number 1. DeWalt DWP611. The DeWalt DWP611 is one of our top choices for its extensive features packed in a compact, lightweight design. It's a 7-amp motor capable of producing 1.25 horsepower at speeds between 16,000 and 27,000. Its speed and power make it a reliable workhorse. What we also like about the DWP611 is it allows you to tailor the operation to your needs. As a bonus, it's soft and simple to operate. Its 4.1 pound weight makes it easily transportable and manageable. You can control the tool more via a molded grip close to the working surface. The LED illumination and a see-through plastic base help to see the area more clearly. What we like: LED light, variable speed control, fine depth adjustment, sealed power switch, fixed base. Can be used on CNC machines. What we don't like: corded trim routers might not be everyone. Not recommended for beginners.